The 5 steps of getting your real estate license here in Ontario, Canada. First step, online research to see if this is actually something you want to do. Step 2, the educational portion. Step 3, choosing a brokerage. Step 4, registering with RECO. And step 5, starting your real estate business. Let's break down all 5 steps and how to do it all. Just quickly, my name is Callum Moore, eXp Realty Real Estate Broker. And if you found this channel, welcome. This channel is basically A to Z from getting your real estate license and crushing your first year. From nothing, essentially, deciding right now to get your real estate license, to something you have your real estate license officially registered with RECO, to everything, essentially. Getting to that first 100,000 in your first year. I hope you stick around. Consider liking and subscribing. It means an absolute ton to me, but let's just dive right into the video. Step 1, research online. Finding out if this is for you. What you're doing right now is a great first step here on YouTube. Watch videos like this, do more research, find out what the day-to-day is going to be. Do you like getting out there? Do you like getting out of the office, meeting people, building relationships, learning about real estate, and learning about your community, which you're going to grow your business in? I'll tell you right now, people always tell me when I do meetings with them, they say, I come from a sales background, and that's fantastic, that's good for sure, but realistically, it does not matter because we so rarely sell, especially with your own clients. You are never selling your own clients. You are problem solving with them. You are providing an amazing service for them. You are essentially building relationships. That is the name of this game, building relationships over actually being a salesperson. Take it from me, you're so rarely actually selling. Also, kind of ask yourself if you are a person that maybe likes animals more than you like humans.
New study says that humans love dogs more than most other humans.
Maybe this isn't for you. I say that lightheartedly, of course, but realistically, think that first. If you are a person that wants to build relationships, if that resonates with you, you will do extremely well in this industry. On to step 2, the educational portion. Once decided, so now you've decided you want to become a realtor here in Ontario, this step is where you're going to spend 99% of the time becoming a realtor. There are now 4 colleges that provide the Ontario Real Estate Salesperson course, but do not stress. Regardless of which college you choose, it can all be done online. All courses and all exams can be done online, and all colleges are the same price. So you won't have to do much deep digging and comparing of these colleges. This video is probably going to help you there. All colleges run on the same core curriculum provided by RECO, and all colleges have the same exams provided by a third party. The 4 colleges are Humber Polytechnic, Algonquin, Fleming, and Career College Group. As mentioned, it can all be done online, so it's not like you need to find a college that's down the street from you or anything like that. This entire program can actually be done from outside the country as well, and I'll touch on that in a second. Personally, of the 4 colleges, I do recommend Humber Polytechnic only because they have been doing it the longest. They started in 2019, while the other 3 started July of 2025. They have had time to iron out the kinks, and they also have a full support real estate support team for this program if needed. Once you choose a college, you will apply. To apply, you need to be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. You actually could apply, from what I've heard, while you're getting your permanent residency as well. So like mentioned, you actually could be outside the country, but as long as your permanent residency has arrived, by the time you want to register, you're good to go. You will need a high school diploma or equivalent credential, but if you do not have this, do not stress. There is a very small minimal cost exam you can take if you can't find your diploma or you do not have one, and you also must be 18 years or older. Once approved, which should hopefully only take a few days, you will purchase course 1 and start the educational portion. Just a heads up, the educational portion in Ontario for getting your real estate license is bigger than other places around the world. We're looking at 7 courses which have 6 exams. But you are here now. This channel is here to help you and myself. I'll show you exactly how I got my real estate license in only 4.5 months, and I never read or studied over 3 hours per day. So it can be done fast if you like. I'll add that video right here in the cards here. Watch that after this video if needed, but you do have a full 2 years to get through the entire program. It can be done fast if you're like me, if you're fast and efficient. However, if you're a little slower or if you want to take your time, that's okay as well, to each their own. If you are looking for costs of everything right now, I do have a separate video that breaks down all costs and more, a really good video. That video is actually first on a playlist that I'm going to link at the end of this video, so look for that at the very end. On to step 3, choosing a real estate brokerage. Every salesperson must join a real estate brokerage to be officially registered with RECO. RECO stands for Real Estate Council of Ontario. It is mandatory, but it is also fun. These are the people that you are essentially going to be partnering with to grow your business and brand. Again, similar to what you're doing, have a quick look online and start comparing brokerages, or start reading up on brokerages you'd possibly like to partner with. It's very much like the law of attraction. Once you've kind of put in your mind that you want to become a real estate agent here in Ontario, you will start to see brokerages, whether it's here on YouTube, I'm about to talk about my brokerage, or down the street, you've driven down the street and you've seen this brokerage a million times but never really looked at it. These things will start to pop up for sure. I have really good videos that break down what exactly I look for in a brokerage, but basically there's 4 parts. First is the people you join the brokerage with. Second is the training and support. The third is the numbers. What are the brokerage splits? What are their monthly fees? What am I getting for what I'm paying? And the fourth is inspiration and future growth. That last one might be a bit hard to find, but if you can find a brokerage that you really want its success as well as your own, it can add a lot of fun to the process. Again, I go deeper on brokerages in other videos, but what you're looking for is a person you feel comfortable with, a person you can ask questions to, that has training and support set up for you, and even possibly be a bit of a mentor at the start. You don't, though, have to do this. Start looking for a brokerage yet by any means. I suggest meeting with 2 or 3 brokerages if you can, people at the brokerage that can give you information at around the course 4 mark as you are getting through the educational portion. Course 4 is the second last exam, so that is a great time to start to meet with a few people. Personally, I do meetings almost daily with agents, brokers, or soon to be agents looking for more information on our brokerage, eXp Realty here in Ontario. We are a huge cloud-based brokerage. We are an amazing brokerage. I am here for life. Once you get to that point and you're progressing through the material and you do start meeting with brokerages, if you are interested in eXp Realty, reach out to me. We'll book a one-on-one discovery meeting and go over any more details. Okay, on to next step, step 4, registration. Short step here, you have completed the educational portion. You have your transcripts, essentially your marks. You've chosen your brokerage. You've met with a brokerage. You've chosen your brokerage. At this point, you will send an email off to RECO. Yourself and your brokerage will send an email off to RECO, and you will start to create your accounts. Once you've created your accounts, you'll do a police background check, also known as a criminal record check. You'll fill out a RECO application with the help of your brokerage, and you will send all that information off to RECO to officially be registered. Their website does say 5 to 10 business days, but we see it much faster, more like 2 to 3, and you are ready to go. Last step, step 5, starting your real estate business. There is no one short, simple answer here, is there? But you will now start growing your business, growing your personal brand, getting into the community, start generating leads, start working with buyers, sellers, and lease clients, and start making money. There are hundreds of ways to do this. You have to know yourself, and again, this channel is for you. This is your one-stop shop from applying, getting through the educational portion fast and efficient, finding a brokerage, generating leads, learning how to work with buyers, sellers, and lease clients, and getting to your first 120,000 plus in your first year. I love real estate and I love beginnings. I love being super helpful in the beginning process because I did not get it. That is why this channel is here, to possibly help, of course, but also even meet like-minded people in this industry, work with, do business with, help grow, people that love providing high quality customer service to their clients and growing their business. I really hope this helped, guys. And if you have any questions at all on any part of this process, reach out. You can DM, email, comment on this video even. I get back to everyone. As mentioned, I'm going to put that really good playlist right here on A to Z, getting your real estate license here in Ontario, Canada. I want you to bookmark that for later, refer to it. It will help an absolute ton. Again, I'm Callum Moore, eXp Realty real estate broker here in Ontario, Canada. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.